Hello, my name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and in this video I am going to tell you that we have applied for the GMC registration after passing our PLAB 2 exam, and on the GMC website it was clearly written that GMC will decide on your registration in 5 days. So we want to check our status of the registration. GMC keeps on updating your status. When you submit the application, the GMC says submitted, then status changes to under process, and then guaranteed. So these three status can be changed on your GMC registration. So let's see that where is our application. Either we are on the submitted, under process, or guaranteed. So what we will do, we will open the Google Chrome, and here we will search you can say GMC online. And when we'll click on the GMC online, we have to log in the GMC account, and after logging we can say that our GMC status will be there. So in this way we can check. I will definitely shortly tell you that how we can check our GMC status. So this is our General Medical Council account, and this is our timeline of General Medical Council. So it will take a little bit, 10 to 15 seconds, I will tell you. So now it is opening. You can see on the left hand side, this is our menu. Here we can see in the registration. We will click on the registration. Okay, in the registration you can see three options are there: my application, my CCPS request, and my register status. So I will check the application and register status here. So we will click on the registration. When we will click on the registration, so you can see here, this was my application number, application type, this is full. We submitted on the 6th of October, and what is the status? Registration granted. Oh my god, thank you. So registration has been granted, and type awarded is the full registration. So what is the date on which registration is granted? 11th of October. So here we can see that registration has been granted to us and granted to me, and I am very thankful to God. So here we have to see, like, registration has been granted. We have to see my register status. What is the status of me in GMC register? So here you can see that status is fully registered medical practitioner with a license to practice. Okay, here you can see fully registered medical practitioner with a license to practice. That's very good. And full registration granted on the 11th of October. So here you can see everything. So if you want to view the certificate, you will click on the view certificate, and it will open in front of you. Okay guys, here you can see this is our GMC document, and to view this we should have at least a dope reader in our system installed. So now I will download this, and after hiding my personal details, I will show you my GMC registration certificate. Okay guys, I have downloaded my GMC certificate of registration, and I have hidden my all the details as well. So this was the certificate for which we were hard working for last 3 years, and I am very grateful to my Allah for this. So this type of the certificate will be given. All the details are given over here. Here you can see status, full registration in APS with a license to practice. So now you can practice in the United Kingdom if you have some job. Thank you very much.